getting old. It's time to get started on this job. We've got our new Big Block 270 series Flowmaster muffler. Always wanted one of these things for a very long time. Had a Jeep a long time ago with a V8. I had a Flow Pro on it, which was kind of a knockoff Flowmaster. Loved the way it sounded, so I never bothered changing it, but always wanted a real Flowmaster on a big V8. So I'm really anxious to hear how this thing sounds. We're gonna crawl underneath the truck. You can see I've got it jacked up. Most importantly, make sure it's not hot. You don't wanna touch the exhaust when it's hot trying to do this. So I didn't drive it to work today. It's been sitting, and we're gonna go underneath there and we're gonna mark out where we need to cut. I got some adapters, 3" on this side and 2 3/4 on this side to match with the truck. You can see our measurements don't need to be too exact because we've got some float here. This will move in and out. So we've got some adjustment. Our measurements don't have to be crazy accurate. So let's crawl underneath there with this muffler in hand and see what we can do.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support our channel, please check out our merch at maniacsgarage.com. We have backpacks, hats, shirts, and other lifestyle apparel for your purchase. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe.
All right, hopefully we're gonna get lucky, because this 3" that goes inside of the exhaust, the new muffler, the Flowmaster, this is 3" and this is 3". So, and this is 3". So I should be able to cut it right here and slip the new Flowmaster on a little bit and then weld around it. It's gonna be close right here. It's gonna be pretty tight. So we'll see. You can see my crappy weld job. I cut it off really too close to the hanger last time, unfortunately, but that's where it ended up, so whatever. We do have an offset, a center to side, so our offset looks good front to back. It should fit better than the glass pack did. Lengthwise is really close to fitting with that other end again. So we're just gonna cut it off like right at the glass pack on this side, right at the weld. I think the new muffler's gonna fit in really close. Cool, let's get to cutting. Safety first. All right, let's see how close this new muffler is to fitting. Woo! Nice fit there. Slip it on just right. Wow. Can't believe it. I don't even need to weld it. It just sits there. No, that's a really good fit. Looks good. Let's go grab the welder, throw a few tacks on it. Probably clean up this paint around the edge first. So you really should disconnect the battery. I'm not very good about that a lot of times. I've never had it cause a problem. I know it can. When you're welding on a car, the battery should be disconnected, but I have the ground connected directly to the exhaust pipe. So I will weld on the back end first to make sure I got a good connection, and then I'll weld up front. It is not easy to weld because it's blind. I can only reach so much all the way around here. It makes it tough, but I did it before and I'm sure I can do it again. I usually end up with a couple holes up top I gotta plug, but we'll make it work. It's all welded in. Not too bad of a job, but it's messy crawling under, but it's messy crawling around underneath your car, grinding, welding, metal shavings, dirt dropping all over you. Let's go fire it up. I want to see what it sounds like. Well, like this. It's obviously looks stock still because it's the stock tailpipe, but it's got a nice quiet burble. You can hardly hear anything until you rev it up. Now we're talking. A nice smooth nice smooth clean crackly V8 without the obnoxious glass pack sound. One more time, let's hear it. Now that I like. Just a nice, smooth, deep rumble of a V8. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Stay tuned for the next one.